Wetin supposed to be peaceful protest don turn gbas katakata for Rivers State chapter of the People's Democratic Party for New GRA Aba Road for Port Harcourt. Members of the People Democratic Party come protest, come still block road to INEC office for Port Harcourt sake of say dem say make INEC give them the chance to join the inspection of electoral materials. But wahala come start when APC governorship candidate Toyeku come follow come INEC office say himself want the certified true copy of the election result sheet. You go see say some members of PDP on Monday morning enter Port Harcourt streets with placard to come ask INEC say may give them wetin dem dey call joint inspection of electoral materials. But before you know, katakata come enter the place as the ruling party PDP and the opposition party APC come jam for center. As the governorship candidate wan try enter INEC office, some people come begin shoot gun and everybody including protesters and people wey dey pass begin run to hide their head.
We want joint inspection of electoral materials and election result sheets. The law is clear, but we are saying because we understand the character of opposition parties, when they lose elections, they don't accept defeat.
We are not afraid. They try to play smart to say they want to move to tribunal. It's a ploy. They have orchestrated it. But what we will not agree is for the same dog to bite us the second time. In 2019, the superintendent of police brought before the tribunal concocted results of elections that never held in Rivers State.
We don't want anything to be done behind us. So if they know they have no hidden agenda, we are here. Let them come. So that we can jointly inspect the material together. That's what we're asking from INEC.
Now, as early as 6:30 this morning, we have been told that PDP had mobilized thugs outside to prevent us from accessing the documents. Prevent us. That is exactly what they were going to prevent us from accessing INEC. Every other thing that they are saying is a lie. They said they were going to prevent us from accessing INEC. Fair enough. We got there, so waited for a little while, made sure that we assessed the scenario and decided that, you know what, if we carried a crowd there, it's just going to inflame tension. So we got there right at the roundabout. First, they are barricading the entire roundabout, so you cannot even access it. We get there, the next minute they are standing in front of me and telling me that they're going to embarrass me, that they're not going to allow me to get in and I should get back. The next thing I know, I receive a blow at the back of my head, a slap, somebody is holding my shirt, throwing waters, and they began to throw stones, destroyed our vehicles, and injured me on the shoulder.
On top of this katakata, the All Progressive Congress for Rivers State come talk say now protesting members of the People Democratic Party come up for where them they protest, Congo scatter properties for their state secretariat. The fight and katakata between APC and PDP for Rivers State don't continue to the tie wrapper as none of the party won't congratulate the other party after the end of the 2023 election. Rivers State people talk say them not they surprised for all this katakata way they happen, but them they hope for peace so that tribunal go fit chook eye for the matter well. From Port Harcourt, A. Carter, Ojay Soli, TMC TV News.